Hare Krishna. So we are on the 10th verse of the 4th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Yesterday we have seen Krishna has told how his appearance and activities are transcendental. Just to emboss the effect of this, Krishna speaks today's verse. He says, Vitaraga bhaya krodha manmaya mamupashritaha bahavo jnana tapasa puta madbhavamagataha. Being freed from attachment, fear and anger, being fully absorbed in me and taking refuge in me, many persons in the past became purified by knowledge of me, and thus they all attained transcendental love for me. We see the way this material world works is whenever we have something, there is a rag or attachment. जब भी हमें कुछ चीज़ मिलती है, जैसे ही हम उस पर अपना स्वामित्व जताते हैं, उसी के साथ में उससे आसक्ति उत्पन्न होती है। आसक्ति है तो वो चीज़ छिन जाने का भय है और अल्टीमेटली एक ना एक दिन वो चीज़ हमसे छीन ली जाएगी, तब क्रोध आएगा। सो राग, भय एंड क्रोध, ये तीनों एक दूसरे के भाई हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ ही चलते हैं। आज एक आया है तो 2 साल के बाद एक आएगा, 2 साल के बाद एक तीसरा आएगा। सो जहां पर अटैचमेंट है वहां पर उसके छिन जाने का भय है, और उस भय के साथ में क्या है, अल्टीमेटली जिस चीज का डर होता है वो हो ही जाती है, उसके साथ में क्रोध आता है। यस, सो वी सी becoming transcendental to this is what Krishna is asking. So the essence of this material existence is attachment to it, and it is this attachment which causes one to do fruitive activities. When one gets free from that fruitive activity, then one comes to the platform of jnana, and that is how jnana yoga or transcendental knowledge starts. So it is this attachment which is causing a living entity to really go ahead and expand his karmic activities. When one becomes free from those karmic activities by giving up that attachment, yes, how can one become free from that attachment? Manmaya, when one actually becomes engrossed in Krishna's thoughts. How can one become engrossed in Krishna's thoughts? It is possible when there is sadhana, and along with that sadhana there is mercy of Krishna. Yes, mam upashritah. So when one takes shelter of the process of Krishna consciousness, then slowly with the help of sadhana one is able to transcend these things. Yes, and he says that it is not only now, bahavo, अरे अर्जुन तुम अकेले ही नहीं होगे जो ये करोगे, बहवो, many people have done this successfully. Yes, jnana and tapas. What is jnana? In this material world, everyone is trying to be happy but in the wrong way. Yes, our understanding of happiness is ahara, nidra, bhaya and maithun. Best eating, best sleeping, best mating and best defense, they will make me happy. But ultimately all these are going to go. So knowing the futility of this, knowing the futility of ahar, nidra, bhaya, maithun is jnana. But just knowing the futility of it, is it enough? No. साक्षात्कार के लिए, इस साक्षात्कार के लिए तपस्या चाहिए होगी. बहवो ज्ञान एंड तपस. Without authentic knowledge and without really endeavoring to come to the platform of that knowledge, things are not possible. But when one is practicing right knowledge with right kind of mindset and austerities, mad bhavam agata, one attains transcendental love. Yes, Vaishnava Acharyas explain this shloka in a different sense also. They say that ultimately everyone, because we are discussing Jnana Yoga, Vaishnava Acharyas explain that people who might have transcended karma, but they are on the platform of ज्ञान, they speculate about God. भगवान के बारे में वो तर्क लगाते हैं. तर्क से हम कभी भी भगवान को समझ नहीं सकते. So वीत, राग and भय, when one has given up attachment to people who are tarkically wanting to know God. Yes, वीत, राग, भय. Yes. How can one give up this association or attachment to people who are logically attracted to God? Only when one is situated on the level of sadhana, by constant remembrance of Krishna, manmaya. And by giving up association of such people who want to speculate about existence of God, one can actually attain prema. Yes, mad bhavam agatah. So, it is very much essential to protect ourselves and our medha from false knowledge and false assertions about spirit. Yes, हमने ये पहले भी देखा है कि भारत में हर कोई आध्यात्म के ऊपर 2 घंटे का लेक्चर दे देगा, लेकिन ये सही नहीं है. जब तक हम आध्यात्मिक गुरु से, प्रमाणित गुरु कौन है? जो पूरी तरह से वैष्णव डिसिप्लिक सक्सेशन में गुरु शिष्य परंपरा में आ रहे हैं. और वो गुरु शिष्य परंपरा कहाँ तक जानी चाहिए? भगवान तक जानी चाहिए, स्ट्रेट. जब ऐसे ज्ञान के माध्यम से हम चीज़ें समझते हैं और उसे अंतर आत्मसात करने के लिए तपस्या करते हैं, तब हम भगवान को प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच. हरे कृष्ण.
Krishna Krishna